Yo, this is Ryan Sagar, the Gringo in Rio de Janeiro, and we're going to continue with the best activities here in Rio de Janeiro today. We're going to head up to that statue right behind me, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world called Christ the Redeemer. We start our hike right here at a park called Parque Lage. It's a beautiful park. You can see the main building looks like a Buddhist temple. It's also a great spot to grab breakfast or lunch. We can't do that right now because Parque Lage for the Rio Olympic 2016 Games is the House of Great Britain. Right behind me, the House of Great Britain, baby. So anyhow, this is where we begin our hike. It's going to be about 2 hours of steady climbing, and then we're going to see one of the 7 wonders of the world.
The only thing ever knew is that I never know. I've had my time, man, it's on and now I gotta go. Can I go you home? You be mine and I'll be yours. I just wanna let you know.
We are at the very start of the hike. We just left Parque Lage. We're heading up to this guy right here, which is Corcovado, otherwise known as Christ the Redeemer. Before you do this hike, you gotta make sure you register with this guy up here, just in case you get lost, robbed, or killed. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Wants food.
Oh, he's seen it! Oh, shit! You got video of this shit?
I just wanna let you know. In my mind, I go.
He's gonna.
Oh, sorry, don't let him drop it down on you.
Oh, shit, they're above you.
What are you going to do? Give it to him?
You're not gonna bite your finger off.
No, it's kind of not aggressive.
You've got rabies.
The guys are, males are. Oh, that was epic. Oh,
You didn't do it! They like bananas!
Oh, mate.
There's another one. There's a little one.
He's got there.
100% chance to shoot rabies.
Oh, actually?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got
Did you get that?
Where's the little one?
Oh, he's coming back again.
Oh, who threw the bridge? He's sniffing the crust. Nah, don't like crust.
So, watch him.
He's doing that at half.
Don't, just chuck it at him. He'll catch it.
He's smiling for you.
Go down, come on. Oh.
Oh, there's one above you.
But they must give you that, right? No, they're pretty little fucks in the right one, another one.
Bro, he's coming hard.
That one's way smaller than that one.
I don't think you have a choice.
Chuck it up to him, see if he can catch.
You got videoing this?
Yeah.
Terrible throw.
This is a 4 metre short of him.
Cricket player.
Put your bags on. Hey?
Nah, sweet.
Can't feed him, but videotape someone else.
Yeah, exactly. just come off the trail and we're heading up the train tracks, which is prohibido. It's against the rules to do it, but it's got the most spectacular views, I believe, getting up to the top of the seventh wonder of the world known as Christ the Redeemer. Once again, we've got that fantastic view behind me. You can see Zona Sul, the Jockey Club, where the racetracks are, and we've just got a little ways to go, and then we've reached our final destination. So let's get on the railroad and head on up.
Cause I need you by my side to see the ocean in your eyes. I was waiting my whole life, and I thought I've lost my mind. Cause I need you by my side to see the ocean in your eyes. I was waiting my whole life, and I thought I've lost my mind. Cause I need you by my side to see the ocean in your eyes. Hey.
We've reached our end goal, which is Christ the Redeemer, the seventh wonder of the world. It's right behind us. There's a lot of clouds up here and a lot more people. We got a few good views when we were up near the crowd. We do our usual once we accomplish our mission. Drink a beer. It's my boy John's last day in Rio de Janeiro. We're gonna miss him. Stay tuned for the next episode. This, of course, is the Gringo or Gringos in Rio de Janeiro.